2019 Dodge Charger cabin filter replacement. This one is actually pretty easy. Right here, you're going to take this little access panel off. It has these two little tabs you could push. Do both at the same time. Gently push them up and pull the front part of this up, and then you could just slide it forward. Don't break those tabs on the back of this. And then this is where your cabin filter is. Now it has this little lid on the top. All you got to do is lift up each side one at a time. So just go to the left side, lift it up, and then go all the way to the right side and lift it up. Don't try to lift it from the middle though. And then you can lift that up and have access. Notice it says airflow with the arrow pointing in towards the dash. That's because the blower fan sucks in air. We'll go ahead and slide this guy out. It's a lot easier with two hands. I got one hand on my camera, so it may look a little harder, but here it is. Here's the part number for this one. I'll put links in the description for a good cabin filter. Now to put this back in, all I gotta do is lift that lid back up and then slide this one back in. I was just checking the condition of this, but I thought I'd let you guys see how to do it. Make sure you get this in though the right way. Make sure it's lined up and it's on track. It's easy to kind of get it off track, and then you won't be getting filtration. And then you just gently close the lid one side at a time. Make sure this is in all the way. Sometimes it could be a little stubborn. Close the left side or the right side first, but just don't try to close it from the middle because you could break the lid. But that's it, guys. Then we'll put the access panel back on. These tabs, put those tabs on the back of it in first, line those up, and then you could just kind of slide it into place. It could be a little annoying to want to snap back into the proper place, but just take your time. You'll be all right. I believe in you. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
Pretty good.